I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word Tip. Word may be just a word processor. It's not as popular as Excel, but it does have one element that can chill you to the bone: the equation editor. Lurking on the Insert tab, innocently positioned in the Symbols group, you see the Equation button.
It's the devil's work.
Well, no, but it's entirely nerdy and handy if you are a nerd or work for one. So say you're desperate to thrust Pythagoras' theorem into your document. Insert tab, Symbols group, Equation. And there's the booger on the menu. Click. Behold, this is a content control. It is not text, and it's not a field. You see the controls handle here, which you can use to drag it about, the contents, and for equations you see a menu button. Let's click it and see what weird stuff it shows. These are presentation choices: professional, linear, all professional, and all linear. For example, I'm going to choose linear, and you see a representation of the equation as you could type it using standard keyboard symbols. The professional option alters the equation to be, well, more professional. It's also more involved as far as presentation is concerned. It looks cool. More important, look at the ribbon. What you see here is the Equation tab. It helps you build your own equations, even when there's no math behind anything you create, just like real scientists do. The Equation button menu shows more equations, with even more available at the Office sub-menu. Check out these weird things. Kudos to you if you understand what these ink splats mean. The point here is that you can choose one of these things to instantly stick it into your document, which not only looks impressive and saves you a lot of work trying to recreate it, but it makes you look smart. And that would mean something if society actually valued smart people.
I am without words.
Yeah, apparently intelligence ranks below good-looking on the human social scale.
No. What if you want to craft our own equation? Say, to reverse the flow of space-time.
Well, it's entirely possible. Insert tab again, Equation button, Insert new equation. Here's where you use all the dinguses on the Equation tab to assist you. You have a slate of symbols because the keyboard doesn't let you type these boogers, and it's easier to pluck one from this gallery anywho. And you also have these items in the Structures group. See how each menu lists a big symbol with tiny boxes? Well, you fill in those boxes, and you can use the gallery to choose a symbol or special whatever. So I'll choose a large operator, sigma, and then I can fill in the various pieces as I go. Now I'm just making this stuff up, but you see how I use the symbols to insert items into these boxes. I can also type things, so if the characters are available on the keyboard and other fun stuff, and just play around la-di-da. Doesn't this look impressive? Oh my God, I have no idea what I'm doing here.
Clearly.
And you can edit with the backspace key. The point here is to make it easier to type one of these complex goobers without troubling yourself with formatting and layout options or using another program, say a graphic design program. Now to delete the content control, you click its wee little tab and press the delete key, and the formula is lost to science forever. Any questions? Now you got that formula down?
Perhaps.
Great.
See you yesterday.
What? Nerd or not, enjoy the equation editor or ignore it, which is what most people do.